Today I show you how to create a typewriter effect in After Effects using its animate feature. First, I create a new composition with dimensions of 1920 by 1080. I opt for a 30-second standard composition and click the OK button. Upon clicking, a black screen appears. I access the text tool from the toolbox above. I write some text using the DS Digital font. If you wish to replicate this effect, I provided the font link below for easy download and installation. When you write text, the anchor point defaults to the bottom left. For better animation control, it is essential to move the anchor point to the center of the text. I use the Ctrl-Alt-Home key combination to do this. Next, I align the text both horizontally and vertically using the Align panel, which you can find under the window menu if it is not already visible. Now let's add the typewriter effect. I click the arrow icon next to the text layer to reveal additional settings. Here, you will find the animate option on the right side and select character offset, which opens up more features. An option called Animator 1 appears. I click the triangle next to the Add button and choose Property, followed by Opacity. The essence of the typewriter effect is to make each character initially invisible, becoming visible as the timeline progresses. I set the opacity to 0, making all characters invisible initially. I then open the Range Selector feature and set a keyframe to animate the characters from 0 to 100 opacity. I click the stopwatch icon next to the start value, creating a keyframe. I move the timeline to the 5th second and change the start value to 100. When I play the animation, the text appears smoothly, which is not what we want for a typewriter effect. I go to the Advanced Settings and set the smoothness value to 0. This removes the smooth transition, making the text appear all at once. However, the animation is slow. I adjust the keyframes to speed it up. And there you have it, a typewriter effect. Adding a sound effect will make it even more realistic. That's all for this tutorial. In this tutorial, I've shown you how to create a typewriter effect using After Effects Animate feature. If today's video was useful to you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Thank you for watching.